Ever wondered what anti-inflammatory foods can do for your health? Well, let's dive right in. Anti-inflammatory foods, as the name suggests, are foods that help reduce inflammation. But why should we care about inflammation? In small doses, inflammation is a natural defense mechanism of the body. It's our immune system's response to injury or infection. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to a host of health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. So, how can anti-inflammatory foods help? By incorporating these into our diets, we're providing our bodies with the tools they need to keep inflammation in check, thus improving our overall health and well-being. From vibrant fruits and vegetables to heart-healthy fats and protein-packed legumes, these foods are not only delicious, but they're also health powerhouses. Now imagine harnessing the power of your diet to combat inflammation. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? There are numerous foods out there that can aid in reducing inflammation. Let's dive right into some of the common ones that you can easily incorporate into your everyday diet. First up, we have turmeric. This vibrant spice is not only responsible for giving curry its distinctive yellow color, but it's also a potent anti-inflammatory powerhouse. The key compound in turmeric, called curcumin, has been extensively studied for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. So whether you're adding a pinch to your soup or sipping on a warm turmeric latte, you're doing your body a favor. Next on our list is ginger. Much like turmeric, ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory properties. Gingerol, the main bioactive compound in ginger, is believed to help lower inflammation and combat nausea. Berries are another fantastic addition to your anti-inflammatory diet. Rich in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries can help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Then, we have green tea. This soothing beverage is packed with antioxidants known as catechins, which have been found to decrease inflammation and promote healthy cell function. Finally, let's talk about fatty fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation. Eating fatty fish a couple of times a week could be a great way to keep inflammation at bay. Each of these foods, from the vibrant turmeric to the hearty fatty fish, have their unique ways of reducing inflammation. They're not just delicious, but also serve as nature's medicine cabinet, helping to keep our bodies in balance. But you may wonder, how do these foods really work to combat inflammation? Well, that's a topic for another scene. Each of these foods packs a punch when it comes to combating inflammation. But how do they really work? The science behind these anti-inflammatory foods is quite fascinating. Let's break it down. These foods are rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to combat inflammation. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals in our bodies, preventing cell damage and inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids, on the other hand, suppress the production of inflammation-causing molecules. But that's not all. Other compounds in these foods also contribute to their anti-inflammatory properties. So these foods are not just delicious, they're scientific powerhouses. To sum it all up, there's a lot to gain from incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet. These nutritional powerhouses can significantly reduce the risk of chronic diseases, like heart disease and diabetes. They can also improve your immune response, making you more resilient against infections. Plus, they promote overall health, helping you feel and perform at your best every day. So don't underestimate the power of your plate. Remember, the power to fight inflammation might just be on your plate.